Are you an IT professional eager to strengthen your foundation in online safety? Have you ever wondered how major corporations defend against cyber threats and attacks? Or perhaps you're an individual curious about how digital protection can shield valuable data. Welcome to the Introduction to Cybersecurity training. Dive deep into the intricate world of online protection, understanding threats, and the methods to counteract them. This training covers everything from the basics of cybersecurity principles to data protection and understanding major cybersecurity frameworks. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.